Morning guys, Stevie here. Today we're going to be tying peach muddler. I'm on my way up to Orkney in a couple of hours, so I thought I'd video one of the flies before I go. So in the vise I've got a size 12, which I'm going to be using the Fario barbless hooks again, and the thread I'm using is UNI Black in 8/0. So we'll get started. So we'll run a bed of thread down the hook. Just take it just round to the bend, just the usual. And for the tail, what I've got is this is Globrite number 5 and number 8, and what I do is just velcro it together. Just get a wee rub of the velcro, and I tie it in. Probably better moisten it a wee bit. So pinch and loop and just tie it all in. I'll leave a good space for the muddler head. So on the way back down we'll tie in the wire, which is fine gold wire. So hold the tail and the wire together. At this point you can cut off your tail. Probably just shorter than the body, I would say. I'll do that. Keep that for the next one. And for the body, I've got this. This is Globrite floss, which has been blended. This is 5, 6, 7 and 8. No, 5, 7 and 8, sorry. I got this blended for me. So just take a pinch of this. Just a small pinch, and just dip it on. Tubs on quite well, so just take this up, and again just leave space for the muddler head. And the palmed hackle I'll be using is this, is a kind of red game. It's a saddle cape I've got, so just give the thread another wee wax. Tie in your hackle. So 2 turns at the head. Then just come down through the body. Nice even turns. And get your rib and just work your way through the hackles. And one full up. Pull everything back. Tie the wire. Pull it across. Shake it off, pull off the hackle, and just come back down. So just rub it with your fingers until you're happy. And for the muddler head I've got this patch of roe deer, so I'll just take a good pinch of that. What I like to do is just there's kind of fluff inside the fibres, just kind of pull at it, then just kind of measure where you want to keep the tip ends. You can stack this if you want, I don't bother, so I don't like it too even. Just round you go and pull, and just work your way through the fibres. Just pull everything back. And get the varnish. Just a wee dab on the thread. And flip finish. Should do that. So that's a fly tie, so all we need to do is trim it now. The way I like to do this is just pull all the ends forward. Grab this with your finger and trim. What you do now is just push all this forward. And they'll get the curved scissors and start trimming. Just to get the shape. Just keep turning the vise. And keep trimming until you're happy. This is what takes all the time, trimming the muddler head. Wee bit there. Just a wee bit yet. You don't want to take too much off it because you never put it back on. So I'm happy enough for that. So just pull that forward just to see it. Pull it all back, and there you are, guys. That's a peach muddler. It's a deadly fly up in Orkney, so I'll be using that tonight. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, thanks, bye.